As the sun rises, casting a golden hue over the calming waves, Okinawa's pristine beaches awaken. A spectacle that invites globetrotters. Its white sand extends for miles, adorned with gently swaying palm trees. The turquoise sea laps the shoreline, tempting visitors into its warm embrace. It's an irresistible sensory feast. The rhythmic waves, the sea's salty aroma, the grainy touch of sand. It caters to all surfers riding the waves, families enjoying seaside fun, or couples basking romantic sunsets. A place where every day is a holiday. So grab your sunscreen and let's explore the tropical paradise that is Okinawa, Japan. As we leave the idyllic beaches and head inland, Okinawa reveals another of its treasures, its unique biodiversity. This island paradise is home to numerous endemic species, embodying Okinawa's rich natural heritage. An example is the elusive Iriomote cat, a species exclusive to the Okinawan archipelago. With its dark grey-brown fur, it's a symbol of the island's wild beauty. But remember, they're critically endangered, with an estimated population of only 100. Also, listen for the unique call of the Okinawa rail, a bird native to the northern part of Okinawa's main island. Its vibrant blue beak and expressive eyes make it a sight to behold. This bird represents how nature thrives in this tropical haven amidst modern life encroachments. Okinawa's biodiversity is a dynamic part of its appeal, a living tapestry of adaptation and survival. As we continue our journey, let's cherish these encounters with Okinawa's wildlife, reminders of the delicate balance of nature that we must strive to protect. As we explore further into the heart of Okinawa, we are drawn into a world of music and dance, quintessentially Okinawan. The rhythmic beats of Isa drumming reverberate through the air, narrating Okinawa's history and its people. Isa, a cultural experience beyond mere entertainment, showcases dancers in colorful traditional attire. Their movements, a harmonious blend of grace and strength, perfectly with the resonating beats of the odaiko drums. Men exhibit powerful moves, contrasting the women's delicate gestures harmoniously. The dancers' expressive faces, paired with the haunting melodies of the sanshin, a three-stringed instrument, craft an unforgettable spectacle. Traditionally performed during the Bon Festival, Isa can be witnessed at various cultural festivals. Immerse in Isa's captivating rhythms and experience a piece of Okinawa's soul. As we continue our journey, let's carry these rhythms with us, a reminder of Okinawa's vibrant cultural tapestry. As the beats of Isa still reverberate in our hearts, let's now turn our attention to Okinawa's rich cultural tapestry, its unique cuisine. With influences from Japanese and Chinese culinary traditions, Okinawan food has its distinct islander twist. The first dish we encounter is goya champuru, a stir-fried delicacy rooted deep into Okinawa's identity. Goya, a bitter melon, is this dish's main ingredient, stir-fried with tofu, eggs and pork, creating a beautiful balance of flavors. Then we delve into Okinawa soba, unlike typical Japanese soba. With thick wheat noodles in a savory broth, often topped with pork belly, green onions and pickled ginger, this dish encapsulates the soul of Okinawan cuisine. Whether a food connoisseur or a casual foodie, Okinawan cuisine provides a unique dining experience, reflecting the island's rich heritage and people's love for good food. As we prepare to delve deeper into Okinawa, let's carry these flavors with us, a delicious reminder of the island's vibrant culture. As our taste buds still savor the unique flavors of Okinawa's traditional cuisine, let's delve into Okinawan culture's other vital aspect, its traditional crafts. These crafts, with deep roots in the island's history, are a celebration of local artistry. Bingata textiles and Ryukyu glass are two remarkable examples. Bingata is an Okinawan textile dyeing method from the Ryukyu Kingdom era. These textiles, rich in color and intricate patterns, often showcase the island's distinctive flora and fauna. They serve as tangible narratives of Okinawa's rich culture, available as kimonos or wall hangings, and make excellent souvenirs symbolizing a piece of Okinawa. Transitioning to Ryukyu glass, known for its colorful and bubbly look, it was created during the turbulent post-war times. Crafted from recycled glass bottles left by the American military, Ryukyu glassware signifies Okinawa's resilience and ingenuity. Each piece is a work of art and a reflection of Okinawa's spirit. As we traverse Okinawa, let's admire these crafts, tributes to the island's enduring culture and people's indomitable spirit. From cuisine to crafts, Okinawa offers a sensory feast as diverse as it is captivating. Welcome to this complete Okinawa, Japan guide. Often referred to as the Hawaii of Japan, Okinawa is a fusion of rich history, vibrant culture, and stunning natural beauty. It's an island where the past and present seamlessly merge, promising an adventure for all. This video guide will take you on a virtual tour of Okinawa's top 12 highlights. From the majestic Shuri Castle to the tranquil island, we'll delve into the heart of this island paradise. Tune in to some light-hearted humor as we embark on this journey. It's time to discover what makes this island prefecture a must-visit destination for every intrepid traveler. Our first stop is the magnificent Shuri Castle. This beacon of Okinawa's rich history and cultural heritage has been destroyed and rebuilt multiple times, embodying Okinawa's resilience. Its architecture fuses Japanese, Chinese, and indigenous Okinawan influences, resulting in a breathtaking visual spectacle. Now we immerse ourselves in the underwater world at the Churaumi Aquarium, one of the world's largest. Here an array of marine life awaits, from manta rays to whale sharks. The Kuroshio Sea Tank boasts the world's second largest viewing window, providing a panoramic view of the ocean's depths. The aquarium plays a key role in conservation, breeding endangered species and fostering public awareness about marine preservation. Botanical gardens offer a tranquil setting for your aquatic adventure, with tropical plants providing a serene backdrop. From the grandeur of Shurijo Castle to the captivating marine life at Churaumi Aquarium, Okinawa starts to unveil its charm. Stay tuned as we continue to unlock the secrets of this enchanting island. Now let's swap the historic sites for some beach vibes at Manza Beach. Manza Beach, where the sea and sky merge in tranquility. Famous for its pristine, reflective waters, it captivates all travelers. A perfect spot for relaxation, or maybe building that dream sandcastle. Yet it's not just tranquil, it's also teeming with activity. Jet skiing, banana boat rides, or perhaps a quiet, absorbing the panoramic ocean views. Now let's journey to the Okinawan heartland, to Ryukyu Mura, a living history museum. Walking its paths is a journey back in time, revealing Okinawa's vibrant past. Witness local artisans creating traditional crafts. Join in, try pottery, or dance with the Sanshin's rhythm. The food here is a gastronomic delight, providing a taste of Okinawan cuisine. Whether it's soaking up the sun at Manza Beach or immersing in the culture at Ryukyu Mura, Okinawa offers a diverse experience. So, beach lover, history enthusiast, or foodie, Okinawa has something for you. Next, we pay homage at the Okinawa Peace Memorial Park. This peaceful site symbolizes the Battle of Okinawa in World War II. A reminder of the 200,000 lives lost, it conveys the cost of war and the value of peace. The park's cornerstone of peace features engraved stone plates listing every fallen soldier. Following this introspective visit, our journey continues to the Blue Cave in Cape Maida. An unseen paradise, the cave attracts snorkelers worldwide. The stunning blue light filling the inside gives the cave its name. Sunlight reflects off the sand on the ocean floor, creating a captivating glow. Inside this undersea world, tropical fish and sea turtles swim by. But the real magic is when you look up. The blue light creates an otherworldly glow, like you're floating in a dream. From reflection at the Peace Memorial Park to the thrills of the Blue Cave, Okinawa never ceases to surprise. This island, with a rich history and natural beauty, symbolizes nature's resilience and humanity's unyielding spirit. Let's continue our journey with the stunning Cape Manzamo. In the heart of Okinawa's coastline lies Cape Manzamo, a natural wonder known for its elephant trunk-shaped cliff. This spot offers a serene escape into nature. Moving on, we arrive at Okinawa World, a theme park celebrating Okinawa's culture. Explore the Gyokusendo Cave or immerse yourself in traditional Issa dance performances. The park's market offers a myriad of Okinawan delicacies. We then travel to the Tsuboya Pottery District, the heart of Okinawa's pottery tradition. Wander through streets lined with quaint shops filled with handcrafted ceramics. Our journey takes us to the American Village, a lively hub blending American and Okinawan cultures. Then we reach Kuri Island, a paradise for beach lovers connected to Okinawa's main island by a bridge. Finally, we find ourselves on Takatomi Island, a time capsule preserving the traditional Ryukyuan culture. From the picturesque Cape Manzamo to the tranquil Takatomi Island, Okinawa is indeed a treasure trove of experiences. And there you have it, 12 must-do things in Okinawa. Experience the historic Shurijo Castle, the vibrant sea life at Churaumi Aquarium, the tranquility of Manza Beach and Ryukyu Mura's timelessness. Visit the serene Okinawa Peace Memorial Park, snorkel in the Blue Cave, admire Cape Manzamo's beauty and enjoy Okinawa World. Explore the art at Tsuboya District, American Village's culture fusion, and the charm of Kuri and Taketomi Islands. Each place a unique slice of Okinawa. So when are you packing your bags for Okinawa? Until next time, sayonara and safe travels.